Yo guys, I'm showing you a little update on my Icarly apartments or Icarly set in Minecraft. You all know what Carly's apartment looks like by now, so I have no need to show that. It literally looks the exact same. But the hallway is a little different. I built Freddy's wall a little closer to Carly's. Ow. This is literally the hallway update. Nothing's literally different. But here's Freddy's update. Ooh, lights off. I wonder what that means. Yeah, so here's the living room. And these doors just lead to the hallway. And then, yeah, this other door also leads there. And then this door over here leads outside. So yeah, that's the thing, and that's the updated part here. But now I'm going to show you my updated studio. That door leads to Carly's apartment. So here's my updated studio. I think it's a little bit better. I colored these walls a little bit. And I also updated out here. I updated out here. This is the hallway to the studio. And then I fixed up the these windows are Carly's windows. And this is the elevator window. I don't think I showed you. I think I did show you guys the elevator, but I'm not positive I showed you the elevator. So here is the haunted apartments. This apartment, like before, doesn't lead anywhere. But I again put 9D closer to 9C. This apartment's the same though, and this one leads to, I think, like a better space to put little wall. This apartment's the same though. It's the haunted apartment though. It's the one I showed you in the tour. Carly's windows again, and the elevator window. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and you comment and subscribe for more content like this. Bye!